Okay guys, objective in this tutorial will be to combine all rows from two tables. Now second table, that's something we need to create, and that table with the name people2 for example must have absolutely same structure as primary people table, because we're gonna use standardized SQL commands union and union all. Union all will provide us with absolutely every row, and then we will see how to grab distinct values, unique values in both of these tables. In my case, I have just one table, which means I need to create people2. So you can do that manually, but I'm gonna cheat because I have a script from a couple of tutorials ago, my own script. So I'm gonna change a target to people2 and people2. Save and F5, and in a split of second I'm gonna have my table. Right. So let me see what's happening with reality here. So show tables. Show tables. Okay. Here we are. The assets describe. Oops. Describe people. That's the structure of primary table, and people2 is fresh one. There you go. Absolutely same stuff, guys. Right. So now we need to import. How to type this? Select all from people. We need to type at least something that is different here in a people table, because I have a lot of duplicates, and there is a reason why we need to have a same and different stuff in both tables. Let me just first insert something here, and to do that I'm gonna use a script from a couple of tutorials before, dedicated for insertion of things. So right, the target will be, where is that thing? People, yeah, people table for now. So let me run that thing, and I'm gonna enter something stupid here just for simplicity reasons. AAA, same stuff, telephone 333, AAA. This will be stupid mail, but it is very good because you will instantly recognize that thing in the results, and there is a reason for that. We're gonna explain about that in a split of a second. Right. Okay, so now we have not just duplicates, but also this line. Right, so let's have this line also in people2 table, which means that I need to get out from here. So thank you script, and now I need to change this script to target people2 table. And also I need to change this and F5, and I'm gonna type absolutely same stuff as a couple of seconds ago. There is a reason for that. Oops, yeah, it will work. AA, telephone, what was it, 333, and that was stupid mail. It will work. AA, and what was the address? Let me just check that briefly. Select all from people, AA123. AA123 in people2 table. That's important. Okay, that's one entry. Let's just have briefly second entry. BBB telephone 444 and BBB at BBB dot blah blah blah, and address will be BBB 321. A little bit of space. Okay, we are fine. Quit. Script terminated. Thank you script. So here's the situation, how we are going to extract absolutely everything from here, including double insertions and including double insert AAA in both of these tables, because yes, we do have that thing in people, but also we have that thing in people2. See, right here and right here, these are different tables. So how to grab absolutely everything? Okay, that's the task. First, we're gonna use union all here. So this is simplified script from a couple of last tutorials. We don't need for this simple stuff like to try except block of code. This will get the job done because we are not committing, we are not doing inserts, we are just grabbing reports. So we don't need to commit, we are just selecting stuff. So SQL will be select all, from people people union all, and again you will say select all from people 2. Select all from people 2, and hopefully now I will have all results, absolutely everything. There you go, guys. We have those like duplicates, and also absolutely same stuff with work in a terminal. I'm gonna try to copy paste this. Hopefully this will get the job done. Right, it will work, and don't forget semicolon because we are in command line client. So enter, and as you see, absolutely same stuff. So I don't know, for some reason when you want to grab distinct things, you need to type union distinct here, and you will expect distinct results, but for some reason it will not happen in this case. I don't know, maybe it's a bug on the side of MySQL server, but there is a workaround in this case. As I said, when you say again you will get absolutely everything, which is actually not correct. Okay, guys, that's wrong. And union distinct, you don't need to type union distinct because just union is enough. By default it needs to provide you distinct values, but it will not work for some reason. I don't know, as I said, I think this is some kind of bug, because a couple of months ago when I was working with this in a pure terminal, everything was fine when I was creating tutorials for my website, and I can actually show that to you. This is my website that I'm doing right now, and as you see, where is that thing? See, when I type union, I only get unique stuff. I don't know what's happening, but who cares, guys? Maybe that will be corrected in some way. So the moral of the story, well, if I cannot use star here, that will create me problems with union distinct, then what can I do to still get results? Is there a workaround in the meantime? Well, yes, because we can say select, well, basically I'm gonna type that manually here first to prove that. So select, and don't use star or ID, just use name of columns, and then the thing will be done, as everything is fine. So select the name and a last name from people union or union distinct, same stuff, absolutely same stuff, and then again say select name and last name from people 2, and now you will get distinct values. Let me confirm that. There you go, you have distinct values, and if here you say distinct, it will also work. Let me test that. Distinct, it will work, same stuff. And if you say union all, then again you'll get absolutely everything. So yeah, can we try that in Python script? Let me copy paste that right here, and we don't need semicolon because we are in Python. So just make a note that we are not using select all in this case, we are just using select columns. Okay, and now we will get cool results, distinct, unique results. As I said, I really don't know why this operation, exactly that one, will yield not unique stuff, but everything. So this is some kind of problem on the side of server in my case. I don't know why is that so. So this must give distinct results, and let's actually put that here, but it will not. See, we get everything, so that's some kind of problem. Don't blame me for this, probably I'm not guilty, I don't know. As I said a couple of months earlier, I was doing tutorials and programming, and it was fine. It was fine with that. See, select all from internal control, union, which means same stuff as union all, and select all from documents will yield me only unique things, internal numbers, and secondary IDs, because I don't care about IDs in this case when you're grabbing unique values, because what is important is value and not position and not ID. So I don't know, something is happening. Right, and this is my website that is in construction right now. It's kind of simple. I need to work on that more and enter explanation what will do what. Actually, that part is done for Python, so you have explanations, and yeah, all other things here do have source code, and I need to work more on explanations about what specific source code will do. But anyway, that's the story about website. You probably don't care about that right now. Just remember that it is Web Dev Pro tutorials. So maybe if you need source code, just grab it from here. And in the meantime, I'm gonna create slowly tutorials because that's a hell lot of work. Right. Let me get out from that website. And that's it, guys. Just remember that if you wanna grab distinct values in the meantime until this is resolved, then don't use select all, just use select names of columns, and make sure that you have them on the left side and on the right side too, in the same order. Okay. So yeah, do me a favor if you can, if you have this on your system, just check this, okay? Check this and talk to me in the comment section below, because I need to find out what is happening. Right, and thank you for that. So generally, thank you for watching, as always, for support and subscription, and see you next tutorials. Thank you and see you there.